We are finding that companies that started using computer storage services for off-site information backup are now incorporating cloud computing into their business continuity and disaster recovery strategies. For example, if a company's on-site servers go down, they can have their employees log on through a virtual private network over the internet to their backup servers located at our locations. This allows their employees to carry on business as usual without any interruption anywhere where they have internet access. Many companies have taken this strategy one step further by eliminating on-site servers altogether and having computer storage services host their servers at one of our locations. This can reduce the need for office space, hardware costs, maintenance, and still gives the employees the advantage and flexibility of being able to work from any location where they have internet access. Companies can continue to manage their IT infrastructure remotely, or they can have computer storage services provide this service for them. For many companies, having a full or even part-time qualified IT person is a very expensive proposition, making computer storage services comprehensive service and support plans a cost-effective solution. Going forward, companies can purchase their own servers and IT infrastructure, or they can simply use computer storage services infrastructure on an as-per-need basis, further reducing their IT costs. If you would like more information on our cloud computing services, please give me a call on my direct line at 1-888-368-1088, extension 11. I will be happy to personally answer any questions that you may have.